Looking for an honest review of the YUNZII C75 wireless mechanical keyboard, 75% layout, Hot-Swappable NKRO BT5. Review 2026. Let's dive in. The YUNZII C75 wireless mechanical keyboard is a compact yet feature-rich keyboard that has captured the attention of both gamers and productivity enthusiasts alike in 2026. With its 75% layout, hot-swappable switches, multiple connectivity options, and playful cake-inspired design, it offers a blend of aesthetics and performance that stands out in the crowded mechanical keyboard market. Whether you are typing, gaming, or simply enjoying RGB lighting, the YUNZII C75 brings a premium experience at every keystroke. The YUNZII C75 is packed with features that make it a versatile option for a wide range of users. Its compact 75% layout saves desk space without compromising functionality, making it ideal for both home and office setups. The hot-swappable keys allow you to easily replace switches without soldering, providing a customizable typing experience. The keyboard supports Bluetooth 5.0, 2.4 GHz wireless, and USB-C wired connectivity, ensuring compatibility across Mac, Windows, and even gaming consoles. One of the most eye-catching aspects of the YUNZII C75 is its DieSub PBT keycaps that provide a durable, high-quality typing surface resistant to shine and wear. The gasket-mounted design reduces typing fatigue and adds a soft, cushioned feel to each keystroke. The keyboard also comes with RGB backlighting that offers multiple effects and customizable lighting profiles, perfect for creating a vibrant workstation or gaming setup. The YUNZII C75 delivers a remarkable typing and. Thanks for watching. Check the link in description for YUNZII C75 wireless mechanical keyboard, 75% layout, Hot-Swappable NKRO BT5. Review 2026.